Hello friends, today we're going to be going over the topic 14 and the topic 15 review before you take your test. So first we're going to start with topic 14, which is coordinate grids test review. So we're on page 585 in volume 2 of your textbook. The question says, which is the ordered pair for point Y? So I'm going to find point Y, it's right here. I'm going to go over, how many numbers does it go over? It goes over 4 and it goes up to 9. So our answer would be 4, 9. The next choice, which point is located at 5, 2 on the coordinate grid? So I'm going to go over 5 and I'm going to go up 2. So that would be N. What is the next one is, what is the ordered pair for point Z? Z is right here. I'm going to go over 9 and I'm going to go up 1. 9, 1 is my answer. Over 9, up 1. What is the ordered pair for point P? P is right here. We're going to go over 4 and we're going to go up 5. So over 4, up 5. Each year, Ginny recorded the height of a tree growing in her front yard. The graph below shows her data. What does point 1, comma, question mark represent? So this goes over 1. So that's our 1. And we're going to go up to 5. So it is 1, 5. Our next question, explain how to graph point 6, 4 on a coordinate plane. We would go over 6, up 4. Over 6, up 4, right here. Over 6, up 4. All right, on the next page, Varsha draws a map of her neighborhood on a coordinate plane. Her map shows the park at P, 3, 1. 3 over 3, up 1. This is P. Her house at H, 5, 6. Over 5, up 6. So that's her house. Okay. And the soccer field at 2, 4. So that would be what our graph would look like. Number 8, yesterday Billy earned $30 trimming hedges for Miss Grant. Today he'll earn $10 an hour for weeding her garden. If he weeds her garden for 8 hours, how much will he earn working for Miss Grant? So he starts at 30. And then each hour he will earn 10. So let's see, for 8 hours, so we're going to do our coordinates 0, 30. 1, 40, 2, 50, 3 goes up to 60, 4, 70, 5, so I'm going to keep the pattern, 5, 80, 6, 90, 7, 100, 8, 110, just using that pattern of adding 10. So it would be C. How is graphing 0, 12 different from graphing 12, 0? 0, 12 is over 0, up 12. 12, 0 is over 12, up 0. What ordered pair represents the point where the x-axis and the y-axis intersect? This is 0, 1. And this is called the origin, where everything originates, the origin, 0, 0. 3 vertices of a rectangle are located at 1, 4, 1, 2, 5, 2. Graph and label each of the 3 vertices below. There we go. And what are the coordinates of the 4th vertex? So it would be right here. Would be 5, 4. Okay, and that's our review for topic 14. Now we're going to move over to topic 15, which we're going to elaborate a little bit more on using coordinate grids. This is page 613. Liz and Freed each start a new savings account. Liz starts her account with $75 right here. Fareed starts his account with $100 right here, and each month both save another $50. Complete the table. So we're going to start with Liz. Each save $50. So that'd be $125, $175, 225, and 275. Now for him, it would be 150, 200, 250, 300. We're adding 50 to each. Select the ordered pairs that represents the amounts Liz and Fareed have each saved. So I'm going to do my ordered pairs like this and pick the ones that would match. So this one's not right. We do have 75 and 100 here. 125, 150 is one. 150, nope. And 275, 300 is one choice. There we go. Describe the relationship between the amount each person has saved after each month. So there is $25 difference here, $25 difference here, $25 difference here. They always have $25. So Fareed always has 25 because he started with $25 more than Liz. And they added the same amount. So he'll always have $25 more than Liz. There are 16 pawns and 2 kings in each chess set. Complete the table to show how many pawns and kings are used in different numbers of chess sets. Okay, so one chess set has 16 pawns and 2 kings. So we're going to multiply that by 2. Multiply it, let's see, we're going to add 16 to that. And we're going to add 2 to that. We're going to add 2 to that and 2 to that. Okay. Let's see here. We're going to add 16 to 48. $64. And we're going to add 16 again. 80. Okay. We're going to use these ordered pairs: 16-2, 32-4, 48-6, 64-8, and 80-10. So my first one is 16-2. So halfway here, this is 0 and 20. So halfway would be 10. So halfway in between 10 and 20 would be 16. So 16-2. Then I have 32 would be a little bit after halfway. 4. 48 would be just before 50. Up to 6. 64 would be right here, up to 8, and then 80 up to 10. Okay, what would the ordered pair 9612 represent? 9612 would represent what if we had 6, if we kept going. It would be the number of pawns and kings in 6 sets. Okay. All right, we're going to flip it over here. Luis kept track of the height of his basil and chive plants. His basil plant was 15.5 centimeters tall and grew 1.5 centimeters each week. His chive plant was 18.5 centimeters tall and grew a half centimeter each week. Complete the table below using the rules add 1.5 and add 1/2. So we're going to add 1.5 here. So if I add 1.5, I'm going to have 17, then 18.5, then 20, then 21.5. This one we're adding 1/2 each time. Okay. Will the basil ever be taller than the chive plant? Yes. After 4 weeks. So you can see on the 4th week it is now taller, because on the 3rd week they're 20 each. How did the table A help you answer the question B? You can see the basil plant will be 21.5 centimeters on week 4, and the chive plant will be 20.5 centimeters. Okay. Pause it after you finish copying that down, or while you finish copying that down. Bonnie's Bakery makes 12 cakes and 13 muffins each hour. So 12 cakes and 36 muffins, each hour. Complete the table to show how many cakes and muffins in all the bakery has made after each hour. Use the rules add 12 here and add 36. So 24, 36, 48, and 60. So I'm adding 12 each hour. Now 36, that would be 72. 36 times 3 would be 18, would be 108. 36 times 4, 24, 1,244. 36 times 5, 30, 1,580. Okay. Millie says the total number of muffins made is always 24 more than the total number of cakes made. Do you agree? So this is 24 more. 24 here would be 48. So no. The number of cakes is not always 24 less than the muffins. Last one, Bonnie wants to graph information. What order pair represents the total number of each item made after 6 hours? So 6 hours, we're going to add 12. This would be 72. And I don't even have to finish it because there's only one choice that has 72. So that is your review for topic 14 and 15.